Friday Rewind once again. That's the song from PSY Angelina. Music coming from 1990. Song brought to you by Ulticare Medical Center, where healing meets compassionate care. Ulticare Medical Center. Ulticare Medical Center. Now open. Services offered. 24-hour emergency care services. Outpatient department. Dental clinic. Pharmacy. Clinical laboratory. Center for radiologic imaging. Center for cardiac care. Pulmonary unit. Center for wellness and health. Hemodialysis. HMO concierge. Ambulatory surgery clinic. And nursing services. Ulticare Medical Center. For more information, please call 047-602-6200-209. Visit and like our official Facebook page. We are located at number 2 National Highway, Barrio Barreto, Olongapo City. For emergencies, you may call 0993-219-8273. Ulticare Medical Center, where healing meets compassionate care.
Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Pang, 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 pang. 11:31 on the dot. I'm so happy this morning. I don't know why. Well, a lot of things. I can explain a whole lot of them, but there are other factors why I'm so happy that I can tell you about. I don't even know myself why. All right, so welcome back, the Morning Brew Show. We're halfway this radio program now. Bago tayo magpatuloy, time for some of the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. But before that, here's an invitation. My friend, Mr. Louie Labrador is inviting you. Hakot everyone na ulit sa Pure Gold. Uy! Sa darating na September 1, Sunday. Ayan, naka 10% off ang mga condiments, canned fruits, vegetable soup, sauces, cooking oil, baking needs, and fresh products. Yan. Okay, exclusive ito para sa ating mga Aling Puring at Perks member. Meron akong card niyan, yung Perks member. Kaya naman mag-sign up na para maka-avail ng promo. Okay? So see you sa pinakamalapit na Pure Gold Store. Meron dito, of course, in the Subic Bay Freeport. At the Harbor Point Ayala Mall, look for the Pure Gold there at Harbor Point Ayala Mall. Okay? May Pure Gold din dun sa mga taga Olongapo City naman. Malapit sa amin, ano? In front of Rizal Triangle. The Pure Gold Store there. Ayan, so huwag niyo pong kakalimutan. September 1, 2024, all Pure Gold stores. Hakot na. Ayan, September 1. 10% off on a lot of stuff. So, be there or be square. And the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport, SBMA Chairman and Administrator Eduardo Jose L. Alino welcomed officials from the NIBOR. Hindi neighbor, ha? Baka isipin nyo, Bisaya si DJ Tommy G. NIBOR. NIBOR talaga yung pangalan. NIBOR. Or NIBOR. Something like that. Enterprises. During their courtesy visit and investment briefing at the chairman's office at the administration building, August 22. Chairman Alino, Director Teodoro Del Rosario, Deputy Administrator for the Business Group, Attorney John De Vera Aquino, OIC Deputy Administrator for Public Health, Jerome Martinez, Department Managers Karen Magno, Vicente Evidente, and Nolan T. Sodario welcomed company owner Eyal Elimelech. All right. Philippine Country Manager Jurgen Mutter, Managing Director Gert Helmut, and the businessman Rico Sangkap. All right. Welcome the officials of NIBOR or NIBOR Enterprises at the chairman's office at the administration building. All right. So welcome to the Subic Bay Freeport. NIBOR Enterprises. Wow. Okay. I think they're judging from based on the names that I've read. They're kind of like perhaps German or Dutch names. All right. So, yeah, okay. Also, an announcement here, temporary closure of the covered court. Please be informed that the covered court will be temporarily closed starting September 8, 2024 to undergo roof repair and maintenance. Tennis court, ha? The covered court of the Subic Bay Freeport. Okay? This rehabilitation project is tentatively scheduled to run until the first quarter of 2025. Meanwhile, other facilities of the sports complex such as Subic Gym, Remy Field, Sand Courts will remain open to the public. Those who would like to make a reservation may contact SBMA Tourism Facilities Section 047-252-4193, 0917-822-1264. Thank you for your support, usual support and understanding as we work on to improve our facilities. Yan, okay? So yung covered court facility lang po will be closing from September 8 up until the first quarter of 2025, okay? So that's the announcement here. And moving on, time for some of the invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Check out the SM Store 3-day sale. Ayan, part of the 3-day sale, as you guys all know, ang 3-day sale will be happening August 30, 31, and September 1. Starts today, Friday. Enjoy big discounts at the SM Store at SM Olongapo Central during the 3-day sale, August 30, 31, and September 1. Up to 50% off on selected items, plus extra 10% off for SMAC and SMAC Prestige card holders, plus up to extra 10% off po uli from bank partners. Alright? So, check it out. The 3-day sale. Alright? The SM Store 3-day sale offer at SM Central. Okay? And also, Ace Hardware will be having there, of course, party rin ng 3-day sale. Ace Hardware at SM Central, up to 40% off on selected items, 10% off via the Ace Rewards card and the SMAC SM Advantage card, of course. Okay? Next up, this offer from the food court of all SM malls. Okay, so meron pong free Coke from September 1 to 30 ang all government employees and pensioners. Okay, just bring your ID if you're a government employee, whatever branch, anumang sangay, and pensioners of or government employees. Okay, free Coke at all SM food courts September 1 to 30 for you if you have that ID in celebration of the 124th Civil Service Commission anniversary. All right, awesome. And Granny's Day, September 1 to 8, we will be having Granny's Bazaar, Granny's Twinning, Grand Thanksgiving Mass also, and Groovy Grannies. Yan yung mga events lined up for the Grannies from September 1 to September 8. All right? And do check out the 3-day sale event also for Our Home. Our Home is located at the 3rd level of SM City Olongapo Central. Ayan. Meron din silang special offers for you as we celebrate the 3-day sale. Start na today, ha? August 30, 31, and up to September 1. Okay? Enjoy up to 80% off the month-long offer this August. Alright, take advantage of that. And use your BDO credit card and get another 5% off on straight payment or extra 10% off for buy now, pay later transactions. Visit the 3rd level of SM City Olongapo Central. That's where Our Home is located. Okay? Also, check out the Cows and Warhol designs now available at Uniqlo. Visit Uniqlo at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. And SM City Olongapo Downtown presents Fashion Fest from August 23 until September 8 only. Okay, so you guys check it out. Fashion Fest. Oh, mahilig sa fashion. Yung mga the in thing to wear. Okay? And sa mga mahilig naman sa jewelry sale up to 50% off on selected fashion jewelry August 19 to September 1 at your everyday store, the SM Store. Kabayan Tuesday is ongoing. Magsi-September na. Alright? Para sa September, syempre, yung mga kabayan natin. Those who are holders of the BDO Rewards card And you guys can avail extra 10% off at all SM affiliate stores for Kabayan Day. First Tuesday of the month only. Every first Tuesday of the month. Okay? And Contis and BDO invites you to dine in and get the chance to avail of the 40% off on food and beverage. Alright? Use your BDO Rewards card, dine better. And Contis is located at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. Okay? And the luggage sale hanggang bukas na lang. Alright? Up to 50% off on luggages plus buy one get one free. Okay? August 1 to 31, last day tomorrow at your everyday store, the SM Store. So those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. And hey, time once again for the Sam's Pizza Radio Contest. Ayan. Sa mga gustong sumali, you guys can call me up. 0910-6909-501. You guys know what to do, right? Tawag lang, okay? So, answer the simple questions tungkol sa ating payday special. Ayan. Ayun, may caller tayo. Hello, caller! Sino po sila? Ano pong pangalan? Yeah, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes po, yes po.
Naririnig niyo ako?
Yes po.
Okay. Ano pong pangalan niyo?
Emmeline Lorenzo po.
Emmeline Lorenzo. Wow. You're going to join the Sam's Pizza Radio Contest?
Yes po.
Oy, sige nga. Ready ka na ba? Ready ka na?
Yes po.
Okay. Ask ko muna, where are you calling from? Taga saan ka? Nasaan ka ngayon?
West sa bahay po.
Sa bahay. Ayan. O, sige. Sige na nga. Nasa bahay. O, sige. Handa ka na ba para sagutin yung ating mga katanungan para sa ating Sam's Pizza Radio Contest?
Opo, sir.
Ready na. Huwag mo na akong tawaging sir. O, wag din, ma'am. O, sige. Okay, kung ready ka na, eto na. Question number 1. Ano yung title ng promo ng Sam's Pizza?
Sam's Pizza Payday Sale.
Sam's Pizza Payday Sale is correct! Which will be happening kailan? Kailan magaganap?
Sa August 31, 2024, Saturday po.
August 31, Saturday, tomorrow na yan, ano? Bukas na, no? Yeah,
Yes
is
po.
correct. Okay, galing naman. O, sige, pangatlong tanong. Ayan, paano yung promo? Sige nga, sabihin mo nga sa akin.
Get 2 in 1 flavor on 12 each. Family pizza for only 299 and save up to 279.
Wow! Napakalaking savings, no? Tapos 12-inch pizza, malaki na yan, ha? Tapos dalawa yung flavor, ang galing-galing, no? Tapos, syempre, since dalawa yung flavor na pagpipilian, may mga pagpipilian na combination, eh. Ano-ano yung mga combination na flavor? Sige nga, sabihin mo nga.
Choose from for delicious flavor is pepperoni and beef mushroom pizza. Hawaiian cheese bacon mushroom pizza.
Okay.
And pepperoni and cheesy bacon mushroom pizza.
Okay.
And the last is Hawaiian and beef mushroom pizza.
Yay! Galing-galing nag-aral ng assignment. O kung ikaw yung pipili, alin dyan sa mga combination na yan yung pipiliin mo dahil mananalo kaya alin dyan yung bet mo na combination?
Yung Hawaiian cheesy bacon po.
Hawaiian cheesy bacon. Alam mo ba pag lalaki yung tumatawag, pag tinanong ko yung kung ano yung pipiliin nila na combination, alam mo pag lalaki ang sumasagot, hindi nawawala yung pepperoni. Bakit kaya? Laging may sinasabi nila lagi pepperoni ang lagi nauuna. O sige.
Ako na paborito na lalaki yun.
Sige, before I declare you a winner, last na to. Meron pa silang something special na pwedeng i-add for the VIP card. Ano yon? Can you tell me about it?
Meron po. Yung mag-add lang po ng 99 pesos for
Okay.
VIP. Then,
Okay.
may 20 pesos, may 20% discount for the next visit po.
Wow! Pag may VIP card ka, tuwing bibili ka, may 20% discount, no? Alam mo yung 20% discount na yan?
Yes, po.
Ano yan eh? Dine-in, take-out, or delivery. Applicable yan. Tapos, added value pa pag birthday month mo. Anong birthday month mo?
September 14 po, malapit na.
Malapit. Ay, tamang-tama, oh. Pag birthday kasi nung VIP card holder, meron siyang 1 free pizza sa birthday month niya. Yun. Uy, saktong-sakto. 99 pesos lang yung VIP card. Lifetime na yun, ha? Wow! Okay, so, congratulations! You're the winner! Yay!
Thank you po.
What's your name again? Yung complete name mo? Kasi ipa-forward ko doon.
Emmeline double M po, Lorenzo.
Lorenzo. Sige, pa-forward ko doon sa pa-forward ko sa Shirip. Tapos pupunta dyan yung sheriff, magdadala ng warrant of arrest. joke lang. Hindi, forward ko doon. Ang claiming mo ng pizza mo is tomorrow, ha? August 31. Yung sa araw mismo ng payday sale special, bring your ID. Huwag mo kalimutan yung ID, ha? Importante yung ID dahil yun yung ipapang-claim mo. Yan din yung dahilan kung ba't hindi pinapasok yung Leon tsaka Tigre sa school. Walang ID.
No ID, no entry.
Sige. Before I let you go, may gusto ka mga i-greet? Huwag mong batiin. Greet na lang.
I-greet ko na lang po. Yung papa ko malapit na rin po mag-birthday.
Uy!
September 15 po. Happy birthday, Papa.
September ano siya?
80 na siya po. September 15 po.
Ay, magkasunod kayo. Ano sabi mo? September ano ka? 14 ka ba? Sabi mo? Tama ba?
14 po. 14.
Magkasunod, no?
Yes po,
14,
magkasunod
15. Wow! Pagsabay nyo na lang. September 16. Hindi, bahala kayo, syempre. Okay, yun lang ang gigreet mo. Wala na?
Regarding po sa Cortez family, Lorenzo, dito po, and Carvajal family.
Yun. Okay, thank you and congratulations. Ito naman, last na to. Meron kaming traditional question sa lahat ng tumatawag. Tradition to. Kasi naririnig ka lang, hindi ka nakikita, di ba? Ayan. Sino ang artista look-alike ni Emeline Lorenzo?
Sabi nila, Angelica Panganiban.
Uy! Wow! Angelica Mapanganib. Panganib. Panganiban. Okay, sige. You're the winner. Congratulations to you!
Sige po. Thank you po.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Ayan. Okay. Our winner of the Sam's Pizza Payday Sale. And I got great news for you guys. Dahil last day niya na, bukas na yung Payday Special. Payday Sale Special nila. Meron pang isa mamaya. Okay? So, a little bit past 12, we will do another contest. Ayan. Dalawa yung magiging winner today kasi last day na eh. Bukas na yung Payday Sale Special eh. Alright? So, there you have it. Congratulations once again, Miss Emily Lorenzo. Here's our next Friday Rewind requested song. Oh, Friday Rewind yung i-request nyo, ha? Ayan, 80s and 90s only. But 70s pwede na rin. Or 60s, bahala kayo. Basta luma. Hanggang 90s lang. Hindi nakasama yung 2000s, alright? This one this time is from 1993. This is Timmy Thomas with Dying Inside to Hold You. 895 Subic Bay Radio.